Hello guys, welcome back to another exciting video. Today we have the 2019 Mercedes-AMG E63 S 4MATIC sedan. This is the truly remarkable E63 S. It's a super low mileage car. It's got 11,000 miles. Basically the owner drove about 2,000 or 3,000 miles, and it's an exciting car. Figured I'd show you guys what your money can get you for $72,000. Super low mileage E63 S. Let's see what's powering this beast. Now under the hood is the handcrafted AMG 4-liter V8 by turbo engine producing 603 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. 0 to 60 in this car is 3.3 seconds. Truly remarkable. Top speed is 186 miles per hour. It's got the 9-speed transmission, 4MATIC Plus rather, because in race mode this car can send all the power to the rear wheels for drift. It's an exciting car. Love the power domes in the hood. Mercedes star sits flush on it. It has the legacy LED high performance headlights, and the front discs are perforated as well as slotted. Red brake calipers in this car. Has a V8 bi-turbo 4MATIC Plus insignia right here, and it's a good looking car. What do you guys think? On a scale of 1 to 10, this is a definite 10 from me. Let's see what it feels like sitting in the back seat of this E63 S. Pretty comfortable seating area. Love the very nice looking leather as well as Alcantara, and some storage behind each seats. Love the wood trim with the Mr. High-end speaker system, gray contrast stitching. Very good comfortable seats as well. There's a reading light. I'm gonna turn it off. Looks like someone left it on. Let's go ahead and go on a drive. Wow, look at this. Despite the fact that it's just the legacy interior of the E63 S, I think it's still pretty remarkable. Very iconic car. Power memory seats 1 to 3, Burmester speaker system, the wood trim. Love the leather, gray contrast. Nice. I'm gonna set the car to the Sport Plus mode and also adjust the dynamic select option right here. Let's check out the dynamic data. Give the car a cold start. Hold on the paddle shift, press the brake. Whoa, listen to this. All right, a driver's perspective. Enjoy the drive. Actually, let's go to the designs. Let's go to the classic look. Sounds incredible. This car has been broken in, so no, that is a good exhaust sound, the V8. There's been a ton of comments about the powertrain with the new E53 AMG, and that it's a hybrid and doesn't sound the same. Of course, it's an AMG enhanced 3-liter inline 6, but here we have the true V8 hand-built engine by Mercedes-AMG. On a scale of 1 to 10, leave a rating. I kind of still like this system though, the old infotainment system. Switch the car to the sport mode, which reduces the AMG drive dynamics, the sportiness of the suspension, the response from the steering wheel and all that. Also switch it to the comfort mode for everyday driving. overall it's just a solid car. Individual mode as well. Has the old legacy infotainment system with the control knob down here, the center console, which has a wood trim with the AMG badge, insignia, and the nice looking IWC clock. All around very iconic look in this E63 S. So this car is selling at $72,000 if you want to get yourself the new, rather the 2019 E63 S. I'm just used to saying new all the time because I always drive new cars, but there's no parking here. Also has the 360-degree camera system, of course. It's got all the right bells and whistles. I think for 11,000 miles, this is a super bargain in this E63 S. I'm going to put it here next to the S560, I believe. We also have a GT63 S, also pre-owned, right here. So for $72,000, get yourself the full V8 experience. Alright guys, quick look at the 2019 Mercedes-AMG E63 S. Till next time, stay positive. Peace.